This is Off the Cuff Cooking with Rachel
and Jody.
Today's episode will be extra cheesy.
Rachel's always pretty cheesy, but today we're making grilled cheese sandwiches.
Jody and I decided to pick grilled cheese recipes from two different cookbooks, and neither of us knows what the other one is making yet.
But now it's time for the big reveal. I'm going to make veggie melt. From the Southern Food Truck Cookbook, which is available from Hoopla.
That sounds really good. I'm going to make a sandwich called Say Oui to Normandy from Grilled Cheese Please, which is available for checkout from the Fort Smith Public Library.
That sounds like something you would make. Let's get started. Okay, we're gonna preheat the sandwich press.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it on medium.
Medium sounds good.
So I'll start with our giant bread.
That's fancy bread.
It is. That'll make 3 sandwiches. Okay, we'll put our provolone cheese on. And then our sauteed peppers.
Oh, and you've already sauteed.
I've already sauteed these. So now I don't feel quite so bad. Ooh, that's a lot of salt.
That's okay. I like a salty sandwich.
Okay, well you're gonna have one. And some pepper. It didn't call for spinach, but I decided I wanted to put some on it anyway.
All right.
And it didn't call for pickled red onion. Maybe I didn't quite follow the recipe as it was, like you're supposed to. It called for sauteing the onions.
Oh.
But my daughter always makes pickled onions and they look really good. Okay, and then we're gonna have tomatoes. And it didn't call for Parmesan cheese either. But I'm gonna put some on it. Okay, and this is Asiago.
Oh.
It called for American. And I'm not a big fan of American, so
there you go.
But everything else sounded good. Those peppers and that all sounded really
that's
good.
the only part is that you used bread.
I think we should cut it into thirds.
Okay. Hey.
1 down, 1 to go.
Okay. Okay, so the recipe that I'm making, there were several different kinds of bread and several different kinds of cheese that you could pick from. I picked sourdough bread and brie cheese. The first thing you do is butter your bread. Next, you're supposed to put on your cheese. I'm using brie, and I let it soften, so instead of slicing it, it's just kind of squishy. And I'm gonna take it out of the rind and spread it. Okay, so I've put my brie on, and now you're supposed to put on a little bit of freshly chopped thyme. Okay, now it's time to layer on the apples. This is a Granny Smith apple, and I sliced it very thinly. And I waited until right before I was going to assemble my sandwich before I sliced it so it didn't get that yucky brown color. And then some Black Forest ham. So I lost a little bit of the cheese over here, but that's okay. We're just going to pretend that didn't happen. Okay, which one are you going to try first?
I'm gonna try yours first.
Okay.
It's good.
I like it.
I do too.
You can really taste the thyme in there. Okay, let's try the other one.
Okay. Oh, look how pretty.
It is really pretty, and I like the texture of this bread. That is really good. Check out these cheesy cookbooks from the Fort Smith Public Library and Hoopla.
Thanks for watching another episode of Off the Cuff Cooking. I didn't know you were recording it. When did you do that?
Oh, after you did that funny thing with that, I was like, oh, we gotta have this turned on. Oh, I like this. Makes it feel like a healthy grilled cheese.
I'm not putting any applesauce on it, so calm down.
Woman, just move along with your grilled cheese here, okay? Just nobody cares that much.